In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows 11 showing a black wallpaper. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if your background suddenly turned black and you can't see your wallpaper, here's a few fixes that you should try. First things first, go down to the Windows search bar and go ahead and type in Control Panel and open it up. From here, you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and select Ease of Access and then go ahead and select Optimize Visual Display from the little side options that it has there. Scroll down in this section and look for the specific option that says Remove Background Images where available. Make sure this is not checked. From here, you can go ahead and hit Apply and then hit OK and see if that fixes it. If not, go ahead and go back to the search bar down here and type in Task Manager and open it up. In the search field up at the very top, what you're going to want to do is type in, Explorer or Windows Explorer, just like so, and it should pull up with a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do is right click on this, and there's an option to restart on here. Go ahead and select Restart Task. Your screen is going to refresh and check to see if that wallpaper does return. If that still doesn't fix it, right click anywhere on the desktop and go down to the Personalize option right here and scroll down on this option till you see the Background tab. Just try selecting a different wallpaper to see if it shows up now. You can also click Browse Photos to manually choose one and then confirm to see if it displays correctly, but that should fix it for you. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.